Hi all, welcome to the Mystical Sciences. I'm Anish. We were discussing about the house plans based on Vastu. So in the earlier video, we spoke about the directions, primary directions east, west, north, south, and the subdirections northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. And we also spoke about the directions and who all reside there, whose place is important in those areas. Northeast is God, southeast is head of the lady, southwest is the head of the family, the male or female, whoever it is. South northwest is connected with children. This is what we spoke about. We will also talk about some more attributes which are there in these corners. Okay, northeast is connected with the clarity, peace of mind, health, good health, all these things which are there. Your mind, if it is not clear, clarity, if it is disturbed, then it means that there is some disturbance in the northeast area. And that's the reason we say it's a God's place. God is always clear in what is he doing, right? So no confusions. The same way, northeast is all about clarity, no confusion. If it is disturbed, then you will have confusions. Southeast is connected with the liquid cash. The finances of the house is connected with the southeast direction. At the same time, the luxuries of the house is also connected with the southeast. If you want to live a luxurious life, okay, like the gold, houses, or anything which is connected with luxury which you feel, is the southeast area. In your house, if you have liquid cash or not, we can see only with the southeast area. Southwest is all about security, stability, good relationships, all sorts of relationships in the society, in the house, everywhere, wherever you go. So the southwest is very important because you have your stability in your total life, not only you but overall family, whoever is there at the house. The father, if he is working, his stability, the wife working, or generally, or children, if they are working somewhere, their stability, all overall stability of the house. The northwest is connected with the support. Support means whenever you are in need, that particular time, whoever is coming and supporting, that is called as a support. Okay, whenever you need some, support in your finances or in your any work which you are doing, in whatever endeavors you feel that you need support, if someone is coming and extending your support on time, then that is the northwest area. So these four directions are very important for all these attributes. Apart from that, east, west, north, south, what does these say? We were talking about northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Now we'll talk about the north. What does the north does? North is all about your money, your professional life, your career, your opportunities, all those things which are connected with the money. Money means if you don't have a job, if you don't have a proper career, you cannot earn money. That is a source of creating money. Okay. East is all about happiness, enjoyment in the society, enjoy having fun, living a happy life, connecting to the people, connecting to getting a good connection in the society. All these things. If you are enjoying your life, it means that your east is good. If you are not enjoying your life, then it means that your east is bad. If there is no fun, always boring, then your east is boring, right? Then south. South is all connected with the great name and fame, whatever name and fame you want in the society, in the market. All those things will come with the help of south. South direction will only give you the relaxation, means your relaxation. People, the elder of the family, those who are retired, generally their bedroom will be placed in south because they are relaxed. They have done everything. Okay, so south is the place of getting good name, getting good fame, relaxing yourself, Okay, next, west, the most important direction in all these directions. Like, why? Because it will fulfill your desires. What kind of desires you have in your life? Okay, gains, all sorts of gains, zeal to work, to complete the task. If children are made to sit here and study, they will complete their task without fail. You don't have to run around them. They themselves will get that zeal to complete the work on time, or by end of the day, whatever it is, they will do it at any cost, because that is a place of the zeal. Okay, the desire, what kind of desire you have in your life, all those desires will be fulfilled in the best directions. Okay, so these are the main directions and the sub directions attributes. So if you see here, your house is filled with a lot of treasure. Actually, anything and everything which you need, it is there in your house only. You don't have to run out, you don't have to run around anyone. Just balance these things and it will be all right. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. Stay home, safe.